For bird dog rows, I'm going to show you a few different variations, starting on the floor and then progressing to a bench for a little extra challenge. So this is going to work, obviously with the row, we're going to work our back, but our core as well because we are balancing in a bird dog position. So typically bird dogs are where we go extending opposite arm with opposite leg. So we are going to set up like we are coming in a bird dog. Okay, so I'm gonna have one leg extended out. Now the opposite arm is doing the rowing. Okay, so I'm gonna extend, stabilize, shoulder above that wrist. Okay, that back leg stays stable, draw the belly in, and then I'm going to row and extend. So I'm rowing, think wrist back to hip. I'll show you from this direction. That opposite leg is extended back from the hand that's doing the rowing. So again, drawing that hip in line with the opposite hip, belly button drawing in, okay, chest and belly are staying facing down towards the floor. And then I'm gonna row wrist back to hip, squeeze, extend. Everything else stays still, extend. So really great for strengthening your core. Option 2 or step 2 would be banded. So you could take a band, a loop band around the center of your feet. You want a lighter resistance. This one's a little bit heavier, so I would, if I had a lighter resistance band, that's what I would use. And then I'm going to extend that back leg and then do my rowing. Okay, so a little extra challenge while I hold, and then obviously I would switch. Okay, opposite leg extends back, that hand under, or the wrist under my shoulder, stabilizing with that arm, and then take that weight and row. Row. Okay, everything stays still. And then the last option would be band or no band, coming onto a bench and balancing. Okay, so I'm gonna extend. If I wanna row with my right arm, I'm gonna extend that left leg back, okay? Let's start with my weight here on the bench so I can just easily grab it. But again, extend that back leg, hold on to my bench, and then I'm gonna pause, okay? Row. It's extra challenging. Little pause. Okay, so those are the different